Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this ombre smoky halo eye look. It's very dramatic, as you guys can see. So it's not your typical I'm gonna go to the supermarket type makeup. Obviously, it's just for fun and playing around and seeing if you guys can understand it enough to recreate it. So on that note, let's jump into the video. As usual, we're going to prep our eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and buff that out. Taking the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette, and I'm taking that middle shade right there as my first transition color, and I'm taking a Sephora Pro blending brush.
Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Now I'm going to take these two corner shades and I'm going to start to pack it in the outer and inner corner using this duo ended brush from Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Now I'm taking this top corner shade with a small BH Cosmetics buffing brush and I'm going to blend out that shade in the outer corner and through my crease. Now I'm taking my famous Kat Von D Shade and Light Quad palette, the Plum edition, and I'm taking that deep plum shade with the Morphe Bullet brush, and I'm going to start to really intensify the inner and outer corner. Alright, now all I'm doing is just repeating the same steps to the other eye.
Let's stay here.
To cut my lid, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with this flat synthetic brush and very slowly start to map out the center of my lid. Now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Gemstone palette and that slightly pinkish copper shade, and I'm going to start to pack it in the center of my lid, but more towards the corner because I want to create an ombre. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of that plum shade from the Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to start to buff out that harsh edge corner from the copper to the purple. Now I'm going to take this baby pink shade and pop it right in the center while picking up more copper on a different finger so I can blend the two. I'm taking the Clinique Pretty Easy liner and I'm just going to tightline my upper eyelid so I can mend my falsies to my real lashes. For mascara, I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex and I'm giving my lashes just a very light coat today. Just to get this part out of the way, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner in black and I'm just applying it to my waterline. To prime the face, I'm taking the Smashbox Primer Water and I'm just drenching my skin in it. Second primer we're going to take is the Optical Illusion from Urban Decay, and I'm only applying it to the center of my face. Lashes, check. To give me more of a glow, I'm taking the Temptu Liquid Highlighter, and I'm going to mix it in with the Cover FX Cream Foundation. To bronze me up, I'm taking the Bobbi Brown Foundation Stick in Almond, and I'm just applying it to the areas that you would normally contour. My favorite way to blend out my cream contours is with a small stippling brush. For concealer today, I'm taking the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick, and I'm applying it with a foundation brush today because I didn't want to get too messy underneath the eyes, especially because I have that purple spreading out to the outer corner. I didn't want to mess or sharpen anything up. To bake, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm taking the Becca Be a Light palette, and I'm taking that corner foundation skin like shade and setting the rest of my face with that. To further warm myself up, I'm taking my Nars Irresistable bronzer, and I'm hitting the areas that we cream contoured with. Now, I didn't put too much of this on because it was more of like a bronzer and a blush mixed together, so I didn't want to be too pink, but just enough. For my actual blush, I'm taking my Nars Super Orgasm and hitting the apples of my cheeks. Going back into the eyes, I'm taking the Kat Von D Quad palette in that Plum shade, and I'm smudging it really close underneath my waterline. To blend everything out, going back into the Huda palette, taking those two colors and just giving it a wash underneath. I'm taking the ABH times Nicole Guerrero palette, and I'm using Forever Young as my highlight today and my inner corner highlight. So I felt like I needed a little bit more contour, so I went in with my Girlactik bronzer in Cabo and an angled brush just to intensify it a little bit. For the lip combo today, I'm taking my Kat Von D lip liner in Homegirl and the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick in Bonfire. Thanks guys for tuning back into today's video. I appreciate it a lot. If you are not subscribed to my channel by now, please subscribe and like on your way out. It doesn't hurt you not one bit. Thank you. Alright guys, I will see you back soon in my next one.